I'd love to talk to you more about what you're saying about the sublime and the beautiful. Do you think people have enough sublime beauty in their lives?
No,
It's
no,
kind of an obvious question,
no.
but I love that you
We
brought that
don't
up.
because all the beauty that we get to see gets reduced to the screen that's this size.
Mm,
And we're like this instead of going right. Like we could just do a little bit of that. And of course, like there has to be a balance, like trust. I love sugar.
hmm
I love cookies and I love shoes, you know. But I grew up in the jungle. I grew up climbing trees. I grew up shaking a branch so that all the coconut would fall down, and like I want to be able to give that experience to my children. So whenever I can, I fly them to Colombia, even if I can go, so that they can have that kind of childhood, so that they can really appreciate that. And I think that for even for the videos, like my cousin Carlos, he did all the drone
hmm
shots, and it was important for him to just capture that beauty. It's just like nature's like, what else do you want? It's like, it's like that doesn't turn like. I feel like people don't know how to be turned on by nature. I feel like when people figure that out, and I'm not talking like take a
hmm
tent and sleep in the woods. Like, no, I'm gonna sleep in my bed. Thank you very much. But just like you go into nature, it's just like really breathe that in, and like not try to document every single moment of your life. I don't care about how you live. I don't care. I don't care about I saw that. I don't care. It's like we need to go back to just living our lives. And I feel like my generation, you know, born in the late 80s or in the early 90s, the internet was this thing that was still plugged to the wall. And I think that because of that, we still had our times that we went out. So now we are just too attached to the ether. Like we're too attached. It's like we are in the
hmm
matrix right now. um, but I am also grateful to it. It's just like we just need that
hmm
balance so that we can really find that beauty and inspiration. Because you can see it. It's like, oh, the songs now, and I should not name any names because I got in trouble this morning. But now it's the 80s, right? Now is the 80s synth.
Again,
Oh wow,
yeah,
great. We're really pushing
yeah.
boundaries here. So and like the big, big, big like Latin stars right now, like all those trap artists, it's like you have the budget. Like imagine if I had the budget to go to Colombia and have a
Mm.
choir or a 20-piece marimba ensemble, like that's what I'm trying to do. I'm not gonna do the same 80s whatever. So just download the pack from Ableton and get that. But if you just take that money and travel and go to Puerto Rico, go to Panama, like go to where the real music is and just capture that. That's beautiful to me. Like that's the so I'm trying. Yeah, that's what I'm trying right now. That's my challenge right now. It's like how can I put that
Right.
beautiful into the
Yeah. Do you
record?
feel
So
that's a bit of like when you're not trapped in like a distraction cycle or like a dopamine kind of junkie and you slow down in nature, do you feel there's like a dissolution of the self or like you're kind of the human's tendency towards narcissism is relaxed?
I hope so.
Um,
I hope so. It's just people just need to leave the phone at home. Go to the beach, go to the river, like don't bring the phone. Or maybe okay, take a photo, but just one. And just put it away and really live, in that wave. Like really because I feel like people are kind of doing things so that they can take the photo so they can put it
mm,
online more than I'm gonna go out so that I can live my
yeah.
life. And now we can't even go
Yeah.
outside. So
There you go.
you should have been paying attention. Should have been paying attention. Should have been looking around.
Hey, we hope you enjoyed that video. A couple of more links here for some talks we think you'll like. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and otherwise head over to completeproducer.net so that you can connect with other music making geniuses from all over the world. We'll see you there.